back with the blue MGZR again. It's going to go and do a rally this Sunday. The suspension rebound is too soft for the front. And secondly, it's overfueling, which means that it's not only going to give ball wash and it's going to use loads of fuel, but it's also down on power. So we need to address that. Mate, Dan came through. He's a person you may have seen. He's got a K20 swap Civic. He's got us some Civic suspension. These have a stronger spring rate, so we're going to take these off. We'll stick these on the front of this. So there's 6 bolts holding it on there. I think they're like 13 mil. This is going to go onto the red ZR that's out there. This is brilliant. 17 end onto an extension. So 3/8. Back to reduce it to 1/2 inch. Off. There we go. Now that's out. Right then. Oh, fucking hell, that's crusty. Oh my god. Why have you got an Xbox in here? It makes like a little noise.
And it fits so well.
It's perfect. She's the real burgundy deck, she'll get down all. There we go. Yep, come on, work with me now. Work with me. Hold. Look at how rich that is. Like that, and I know it's going to be dirty, but that is real dirty. You can just tell. Yeah, chopped it off there using the angle grinder, and then this is still kind of hot, but yeah, you can see, guys, it's just stripped out, absolutely mashed. It's in there. It's in there. I've copper greased it and I've connected the O2 sensor. I've got nothing to say about this. This is going to get real interesting now because we're going to take these apart. That is so safe. Right, boys. How safe was that? Let's have a look at these. This one's not shocking, boys. She dead. I don't know what these are, guys. I have no idea what they do, but we take these out anyway. Then you put these back together again. You know what? That's good enough. You know, you want a little bit of movement. We do the same with this one, and they're even better when they're blown. So always buy a blown one, guys. All right, you want to get like knackered ones. They're really good like that. This free modification. That's how you make your Civic dirt nasty low, guys. Be careful right now. Don't want to touch this because, dude, it's like fiberglass but worse. You're never going to get that out your skin. Nice. Boom. Bank 1, bank 2. There we go. Right, so we have to now go undo these fucking top mounts here and here, but to stop them going off like a hand grenade, we're going to wind these down back to here. This little fucking grenade right here should not explode when I go to take it all off, and it'll be misery and there'll be blood, and you know, there'll be none of that. So yeah, that's what I need to do now with this Z spanner, and it's the task of just brain rot, just bit by bit, atom by atom, just slowly reducing the stress off that. So yeah, we're going to get that done now. We're going to wind this down all the way down to about here now with this brilliant hand technique that I've made. Now that that's all the way down there, right, now what I can do is undo that bolt, and with magic all of this is just going to fall. You know, going a little bit insane, but we're doing it. There's the spring that we don't need no more. Right, now it's important to make sure if these say left or right, which it doesn't on this one, so you can just chuck it in. We got this first one in. It's in there, boys. I still need to do the same on this side, so. You guys have already seen me do this like on that side, so. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's a little bit later than I wanted it to be. We got zip ties. We've got a lot of spare tyres. We'll see how it fucking goes, boys.